Okay, so here is the update for the NASDAQ. Okay, so as you can see the trade here. Okay, so there's nothing to sneeze at, guys. We got the high frequency trading, which is the vertical lines. We have the filter off, so we're gonna trade however they print. Okay, so they have no filter. So we're up 389, and then the scalper is 379. So that's it for right now. We're gonna stop, and that's just a quick update of how the program is working. Okay, so if you have want information about the program, so you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, so that's it, guys.